Hey guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Khushbu. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. Okay, so today's video revolves around a fashion staple that you'll find in every woman's wardrobe, and that is a good pair of jeans. So sometimes you may find yourself running out of ideas on how to style them or how you can put together a statement outfit with just a basic pair of denims. And so for today's video, I decided to curate a few looks with basic pairs of jeans and share them with you guys, how you can style them, how you can put them together, and basically how you can look very stylish even with a basic pair of denim. So I won't be talking anymore. Let's straight up get into the looks and I'll share the details as we go on with the video. Okay, so I am starting off things with a simple, easy breezy casual look. Now this one is standing out because of the colors and the fit. I've taken a well-fitted olive green tee which is suiting my complexion really well. And to accessorize, some chunky sneakers which are so much in trend. And another thing which is making a huge difference is folding up those cuffs. The round back is really adding a statement to the casual look. And the hoops and the loose curls, I feel, finish the entire look and it looks just so amazing. Now I guess this has to be my favorite look. It's a very elegant look. You can maybe go for it for a brunch or even slightly for office wear. It starts off with this balloon sleeved top and I feel the yellow color just gives it a pop. The bag with gold accents highlights the look and the white color keeps it subtle. I've kept the hair very sleek with a bun and some hoops to just finish off the entire thing. Now for shoes, I would personally suggest going for a pair of heels, but in case you aren't comfortable, you can always switch them up for some embroidered flats, which again I think look so nice. Now the third one is a very bold statement look. It's very simple with a basic pair of dark jeans and a basic black top. But I feel the accessories here highlight the look. Like this belt with a little buckle. The cushion bag moreover gives it an edge, and here I'm sporting a love bracelet which again I think looks really nice. To finish things off, it's one of my favorite pair of boots from Coves. And yeah, the accessories overall have added so much to this look. And it's perfect for going out or even for an everyday wear, depending upon what you like. Now the fourth look is so much fun. Here I've taken a pair of flared oversized jeans and teamed it up with a statement top, which is the snakeskin top. Now you could go for heels with this one, but I opted for sneakers. I felt it gave an edgy look to this entire outfit. And once again, a cushion bag to just amp up the look and some sleek side-parted hair. And yeah, for me this outfit speaks fun, it speaks statement, and of course it speaks style. The last outfit, again, it's a bit quirky and has an Indo-Western touch to it. Now here I've teamed up the jeans with this off-shoulder top from Ajio which has a beautiful print. I took my hair up and just twisted it to form a half up, half down look. Now once again, I took up chunky boots with this one to give it kind of an edgy look. And some jhumkas to complete the Indian touch. And that was it for this video. I really hoped you guys liked it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know which one was your favorite look. Any other thoughts, suggestions, comments, please drop them in the comments box. And I shall see you guys on Wednesday with another video. Bye.